Ungquzulwano phakathi kwamalungu eSAMWU nabokhuseleko balomasipala luvuke emva kokuba abasebenzi bengene ngetshova kwintlanganiso phakathi kweenkokheli zabasebenzi kunye nabaphathi bakamasipala. Kungcolerheke umntu omnye wabalekiselwa isibhedlele.
Our members were inside the building and the security was also called in the building to come and manhandle our members. And then we went to the security to stop the security and calm our members. But the security was violent. They assaulted me. They assaulted our members of SAMWU. One is still in the hospital. I think he was transferred to Klerksdorp hospital.
Abanye babahlali bathi akufanele kuvunyelwe abokhuseleko abaxhobileyo kwizakhiwo zikarhulumente.
We are afraid to enter that building with security or the soldiers holding guns, pepper sprays, that we feel intimidated as the community have been complaining to the provincial government and to the ANC about the situation there, and nobody's been paying any attention towards our complaints.
Logama kuvulwe amatyala amabini okubetha kwisikhululo samapolisa eVryburg. Usodolophu wamasipala walile ukuphefumla.